Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling the in-app browser on the LinkedIn mobile app. This feature ensures that web links open directly in your device's default browser. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Then, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Next, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Account Preferences. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Open Web Links in App. Finally, tap on this option and toggle it off to disable the in-app browser. By completing these steps, any web links you click on within the LinkedIn app will now open in your device's default browser instead of the LinkedIn in-app browser. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.